Okay, we have a 2022 Cadillac Escalade. We're going to be adding a second prox key, all buttons. The key programming slot is the front cover. Metal piece at the bottom. I'm using an Autel V200. I've already signed into Techline and everything because it's the third car I've done with SPS2 today. So I didn't have to keep going back through AC Delco, signing back in, so we skipped that part. SPS2. It's going to load up the service program. This takes a little bit. Pull the VIN. Got next down here. Hit reprogram in that window. Next. This is just your basic, following the steps. Don't think we had one of these on an Escalade. Plenty on Silverado and everything else with SPS2, but this is an Escalade we didn't have. This is going to get me to the, we're going to have the 10.5 minute wait, just like normal. Hopefully, don't run into the 2 hour. Oh, come on, let's not do this. Oh, that's nice. This car has air conditioning in the seats. It feels pretty good. Alright, we are going to go to immobilizer learn. Next, down the bottom right. Issue with VIN slots. That's actually interesting. Plenty of them. What is going on? Pause this for a second. It's possible. Sign me out of AC Delco. It's been a while. Be back in a minute. Okay, yeah, that was the problem. I had, since the last time I had been using this all day, but since the last time I had to drive a little bit and I had to log back into AC Delco, so I had to close Techline, log back in, reboot it, so now we're going. Go to program transponder or remote key add. Hit next. Turn the engine off and just the ignition on. I was trying to cool the car off. Such a long press, man. Next. What are we doing, man? Close driver's door and press next. And let's see, 10.5 minutes, please. Yes, 10.5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate their emergency key and we'll be back in 10. All right, that is done. So we're done from here. Make sure it's done. Where's the start button? Good to go. And we're just gonna hit finish, I believe. All right, we're gonna go down here and hit exit. Next, successfully completed. Press finish. Closes out some stuff, just disconnecting from the car. And we are done. That's just the verification that it's done. Warranty claim code. VIN subscription has been updated. Would you like to view now? Nope. And we are all set. 22 Escalade, added another key.